Hello, welcome to ICS187. This is your TCP IP class. This little video is just to let you know that even though Mr. Vince Lee is going to be the one delivering the broadcast for you, I am going to be your actual teacher. So in computer words, that will be like he will be my proxy, okay? So you will see his face, but however, I am going to be the one behind the scenes checking out your homework and give you an A if you do really well. Okay, so I'm going to take a couple of minutes just to go a little bit over the syllabus. First of all, what you need to remember is that I am your instructor. So even though at the end of the broadcast he says, oh, if you have any questions, email to Vince Lee, I have changed every single one of the PowerPoint presentations, PDF files that you get to reflect that you have to email me. However, when you're looking at the broadcasts on TV or on your laptop or your iPod, you're going to see that you have to contact him. So please do not be confused. Whatever you send to him, he'll probably bounce back to me using yet more of the internet, you know, how we're going to learn how it works. So please make sure that you send me any of your questions. And just in case, you know, I am going to have a picture of myself out there. Okay, so let's talk about the syllabus. First thing we need to know is that my office location is in DA 210, okay? And my contact information here is spelled Blanca@hawaii.edu, remember, not Vince Lee. And here is my phone number. However, there is one thing I need to tell you. If you are in a hurry for me to get back to you, do not, and I repeat, do not call me, okay? I have tendency to check my phone messages about once a week. So if you are unlucky enough for me to just check my messages, and then you will be contacted a week after. So please email me. I am practically glued to my email every moment of my life. So if you email me, you will get a quick answer, you know. And even if you have to wait a whole lot of time, the longest it will take me to reply to you, it will be 24 hours. But it will never go beyond that because I kind of start feeling sweaty if I don't check my email. Okay, so let's continue. In here, okay, my office hours are going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 11 to 10 a.m., okay? These office hours are virtual or in person, which makes it easy, okay? If you want to go virtual, you will need to download Skype, okay? And if you want to contact me in Skype in here, you will need to add me as a contact. And my name is Blanquita P. Okay, Blanquita P means Little Blanca in Spanish, and the P is added at the end for my last name because somebody else took my name already. Okay, if you contact me like that, you know, just let me know that you are taking ICS 187 because all my students use this way to contact me virtually. If you see me, I'm almost always logged in, and if you see me and you have a quick question, just chat, you know, just type the question and I'll get back to you right away. If you really need to talk about it, then we can just, you know, video conference, or we can set up an appointment to do it the same way. I chose Skype because it's really good both for the Mac and the PC. So I think it's a very good platform. I actually used it in both the PC and the Mac, so I'm very happy with it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go quickly over a few things in the syllabus. So let's go. Well, you can read the catalog description here, but mostly we're going to be talking about TCP and IP, you know, all the protocols that are related to them and how they work together to bring us the internet. And the prerequisite for this course is 187, or if I already gave you an override, well, you're lucky, you're in. Okay, now the textbook, let me talk a little bit about the textbook for you. You could either find the textbook here at the LCC bookstore, or you can purchase it on Amazon, or there is even another option for you students that are online and maybe not in this island. You can actually go to westnet.com, and if you are wary or you have any questions, just email me. I will give you the whole info. And you can go there and you can actually purchase a virtual book, you know, a digital version of the book, which you can download, and then you can see it. Now, it's going to be a little bit cheaper, and you get like instant delivery. So you can take a pick, you know, if you're comfortable reading in your laptop, then that'll probably be a good option. And because also it's faster and it will save you some money. Okay, so let's go on. We are going to be using Laulima for our class. Okay, so I suggest that you go in there and that you actually check this thing often, because everything that has to be there will be there, okay? In Laulima is where we're going to find the podcasts. You're going to find all the PowerPoint presentations in PDF format, and any readings that you need to do. You know, in class, Mr. Lee says, oh, you have to read the material, blah, blah, blah. Well, what material? Well, I am going to write down there exactly what material is that you're going to be looking at. Also in Laulima is where you're going to be taking your quizzes and you're going to be turning in your assignments. All your quizzes are going to go in there, and you can do them at home. You don't need to come here. I don't need to know your name as long as I know your UH ID, okay? So basically what comes next in your syllabus is about your learning outcomes and other tiny things that I am just going to speed through. So let's go into the syllabus. And the learning outcomes, I suggest that you read them because it will prove to you that you can take certain certifications after you actually have taken this class, okay, like the CCNA, and we have the grading policy. One important thing that I want to tell you about these is that I do not grade on a curve, and I'll talk about that in a second. Okay, and if you have any problem accessing the site or you have any questions because you're a student with disabilities, please read our clause here, or send me any questions or any extra help that you may need. Please let me know. Okay. The assignments, again, turned in through Laulima. Quizzes as well taken there. Midterms are going to be in there as well. Quizzes, you can expect to have only multiple choice questions. You know, for every quiz is like a 3-minute quiz, 5-minute quiz with 3 to 5 questions. And they are multiple choice or matching, something simple like that. However, for your midterms and your final, you will get some of those questions, but you will definitely get, you know, questions that you have to actually type the answer to, okay? Short essay or do some math. You will need to do some math because we're going to do some addressing, okay? So basically, that's our class in a nutshell. I suggest that you go back into your syllabus, you read it carefully, and if you have any questions, remember, do not email Mr. Lee, email me, email Blanca@hawaii.edu, and I'll see you later. Bye.